Welcome back to Future Hustle Lab. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one powerful AI tool, OpusClip.
If you want to earn money using short-form content, this episode is for you.
OpusClip is an AI-powered video tool designed to turn long videos into short, viral clips automatically.
Short-form videos are dominating platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels.
Businesses, podcasters, coaches, and creators in the United States need short clips every single day, but most don't know how to edit them. This creates a massive opportunity for beginners who can offer short-form editing as a service. OpusClip analyzes long videos using artificial intelligence and identifies the most engaging moments automatically. It then converts those moments into short clips, formatted perfectly for social media platforms.
So instead of spending hours editing manually, the AI does most of the work.
OpusClip is ideal for freelancers, content creators, agencies, and complete beginners.
Let's talk about how a beginner with no editing experience can use OpusClip.
The first step is finding long-form content, such as podcasts, interviews, webinars, or YouTube videos. You upload the video link or file into OpusClip's dashboard. The AI automatically detects highlights, captions the video, and creates multiple short clips. You can review, download, and deliver those clips to a client or post them yourself.
What used to take hours now takes just minutes.
Many freelancers charge clients per clip or per package of short videos. Common pricing ranges from $50 to $150 per day, depending on volume.
Aadi, now tell me, what type of clients are paying for this service in the United States?
Podcasters, real estate agents, coaches, YouTubers, online educators, and small businesses.
Got it now. Most important question. Where do beginners find these clients?
Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are the easiest starting points. Social media outreach and cold email also work extremely well.
All right, sorry to interrupt you again. Just tell me, do you need to be a professional editor to do this?
No. OpusClip removes the technical complexity, making this accessible to beginners.
How do users ensure quality?
Users can review clips, adjust captions, and choose the best moments before delivery.
What happens after someone gets their first few clients?
Once the workflow is mastered, users can scale by handling more clients with the same effort. This allows consistent income without increasing working hours.
What mistakes should beginners avoid?
Overpromising, not reviewing clips, and ignoring client branding guidelines.
Is short-form content just a trend?
No. Short-form content continues to grow and remains one of the highest engagement formats. OpusClip is a powerful AI tool that saves time, removes complexity, and creates income opportunities.
Thanks, Aadi, to provide such good information about OpusClips, my friend. Stay with us, because in the next episodes, we'll break down each tool step by step.
In the next episode, we will explore Claude AI and how it helps people earn through writing. Subscribe to Future Hustle Lab for smarter tools and smarter ideas.
And don't miss the next episode in our AI Tools series.